For those who still appreciate the charm and functionality of classic typewriters, having a reliable ribbon replacement is essential. Here, we review the 4-pairs Universal Typewriter Ribbon Twin Spool Replacement Pack in black, a product designed to meet the needs of most typewriter models. Before diving into the details, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This pack offers a generous quantity, providing 4 pairs of twin spool ribbons. This means you won't have to worry about frequent repurchasing, making it an economical and convenient choice for daily use. Each ribbon comes with fresh black ink, ensuring crisp, clear typing without the frustration of faded or dried-out ribbons that sometimes come with older stock. Compatibility is a key consideration with typewriter ribbons, and this product is designed to fit most typewriters. However, it's important to check the central aperture size of your current ribbon before purchasing, as this pack features a 0.2-inch, 5mm, aperture. Ensuring this matches your typewriter's requirements will save you from compatibility issues. In terms of usability, these twin spool ribbons are straightforward to install, making them ideal for both office environments and personal use. The black ink stands out clearly on paper, helping maintain the professional look of your typed documents. Pros of this product include the sufficient quantity that covers long-term use, fresh and reliable ink quality, and broad compatibility with many typewriter models. On the downside, the need to verify the aperture size beforehand may cause some hesitation for buyers unfamiliar with their typewriter specifications. Additionally, while the pack is versatile, it may not fit all typewriter brands, so double-checking compatibility is crucial. Overall, this replacement pack offers excellent value and dependable performance for anyone still utilizing typewriters regularly. Don't forget, the link to get this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out for the best deal.